Leader Feeder is brought to you by the Frontline Leadership Training Program. Whether it's our on-site solution or enrolling people into our public workshops, our 2-day Frontline Leadership Program gives supervisors, managers, and team leaders all the skills they need to drive better operating results and employee engagement. Visit us online at uniquedevelopment.com. In this Leader Feeder, we'll look at the importance of leading close, not far. Some leaders mistakenly think that their job is to stay in their office and avoid interacting with their team and communicate only by email. That is a recipe for disaster. I remember one leader who I was asked to coach. He rarely interacted with his team, preferring to send emails instead of walking around and talking to people. His team was disgruntled and the results weren't where they needed to be. The reality was that the manager was at risk of being terminated because he didn't even grasp the need for his team to interact with them. Email can't replace FaceTime between a leader and the team. Lead by walking around. Leading by walking around is an essential strategy for leaders at all levels. Endless meetings, conference calls, and emails will only distance you from the people generating the results. Make it a point to walk through the department and check in with your team. How are things running? Is there anything that you need to make things better? Or, hey, how's your mom doing? Listen to and resolve issues. When a team member does raise a question or concern, document it so that you won't forget it, and then get back to them with an answer or ensure that it gets passed along to the best person who can solve the problem. Put people first. Staying close to your team shows them that you care about them and helps you figure out how to make improvements to the work process so that your results will go up. Remember that people drive processes and processes drive results. Once you learn how to lead close and not at a distance, you may also decide that you want to improve some of your other leadership skills. Remember that we offer many resources, including on-site workshops, public workshops, and a number of video and computer-based resources. Just check us out at our website at uniquedevelopment.com. On social media, please connect on LinkedIn or Twitter or on Facebook by searching us out at Frontline Leader.